So once you have completed the placing the linear dimension in your current floor plan, let's see further what else we can do in the dimensioning. I'm just going to place one dimension again, so make sure the default settings still the same dimension command is activated with the construction method as a linear. Enter first dimension node point is written on my screen. So I'm going to again be careful the way I've said, no, like if in case I'm highlighting the column or wall, so accordingly that particular dimension will get assigned. So if you just go and check in your dimension settings, there is an option known as a static dimension. So static dimensions normally we don't prefer, because then what will happen if you change anything in the object for its length or location, dimension will not be get updated. So I'm not going to place the check mark for this. Now I'll just click now I'll click over here as my first node. You can see that circle with the plus sign. If you click on any random location, for example, if you click on the empty part of the drawing, or if you click on somewhere on the not a precise location, maybe somewhere on the nearer location on the object, you will see that box with the plus sign is appeared. This is supposed to be not a realistic, and this location may be uh, in the static mode. So this is supposed to be as per the object, its location or its modification, ArchiCAD will try to recognize that. But this will be a static one. And if in case you want to remove this location, by mistake you have clicked anyone, either this one or this one, you just have to reselect that with the pencil icon. This time instead of hollow pencil, you will get a solid pencil. So just single click and you can remove that particular node location, and that's a simple method. So let's try to place one dimension. Maybe I'm placing the dimension from here to here. Once I've completed, if you want to add one more point also you can add, so there is no restriction, so a chain can be get generated. So now there are 3 points which I've picked. I just have to would like to finalize this dimension, so I'll just double click outside on the empty part, and then I'll just place this. You can see now this is how my the dimension is placed. Okay, so try this and then go for the next clip.